Hello students, yesterday we did sentence. Today we are going to do parts of a sentence. As we studied in the first chapter, a sentence is a group of words arranged locally to make complete sense. A sentence has two main parts, that is subject and predicate. The subject, the person, thing, the person or thing we speak about is called the subject. Predicate, what we speak about the person or thing is called the predicate. So we can divide a sentence into two main parts, that is subject and predicate. The subject is the person or thing we speak about, and the predicate is what we speak about the person or thing is the predicate, that is it describes the person or thing, it is predicate. Example is Kanika is eating a mango. Here Kanika is subject and eating a mango is predicate. It is describing that Kanika is eating a mango. The doer of the note, a predicate has a finite verb. The finite verb works with the subject of a sentence to give a sense of completeness. A predicate has a finite verb. What is finite verb? Finite verbs are essential for forming complete sentences that express clear meaning. Example, take a word jumps. So, the cat jumps on the bed is a finite verb since it shows tense, that is present tense, person, third person, and the number is singular. Verbs which have the past or present form is the finite verb. Any other form is the non-finite verb. So, predicate contains finite verb to complete the sentence, to make a sense of the sentence. The doer of the action is called the subject. What the subject expresses is called the predicate. See, Sahil walks to school. Sahil walks to school. What is the subject? It is Sahil. It is telling about Sahil. What is said about him? It is said that he walks to school. These mangoes are sweet in taste. Mangoes. What is the subject here? These mangoes. What is said about them? It is said that they are sweet in taste. In imperative sentences, subjects may not be expressed, they may only be understood. See, come inside means you come inside. Here you is hidden. Sit down means you sit down. Thank you means I thank you. Usually the subject of a sentence comes first. However, in certain cases it comes after the predicate. Example, up went the arrow. Down came the rain. The subject may consist of one word or several words. The predicate may also consist of one word or several words. Now, read the following sentences. They won. They is the subject here and won is the predicate. They won is describing that so many people, a group of people, they won. The fox saw a bunch of grapes. The fox is the subject here. It is and saw a bunch of grapes. The saw a bunch of grapes is saying about the fox, that the fox saw a bunch of grapes. It is a predicate. When the subject of a sentence contains of several words, there is always one word which is more important than the other words. This word is called the subject word. The subject word is always a noun or word or a group of words that does the work of a noun. What is noun? Naming words are called noun. I will just cover the noun part in next video. Read these sentences. An old man was standing near the gate. The kind-hearted are loved by God. In sentence 1, the subject consists of 3 words. An old man. And the most important word is man, which is a noun. In sentence 2, the subject consists of 2 words. The kind-hearted. Here the most important word is kind-hearted, which is doing the work of a noun, though it is an adjective. These are the exercises. Find the subject and the predicate in each of the following sentences. I have underlined the subject with red color and predicate with the blue color pen. Students, please go through it. The Gita is the sacred book of the Hindus. The Gita is the subject, is the sacred book of the Hindus, is the predicate. William Tell is the subject, shot the apple is the predicate. The teacher is the subject, appointed him monitor is the predicate. Mighty hope is the subject, makes us men is the predicate. Your hair is subject, is curly is predicate. The postman is the subject, delivers letters every morning is the predicate. Keep quiet, it is the predicate. Here you is the subject, you is hidden here. You keep quiet. The ground is the subject, was full of grass is the predicate. Do not disturb me. Here also you is the subject. You do not disturb me. Do not disturb me is the predicate. Please sit down. Here also, sorry, I have not written here. Here also you is the subject. So please sit down is the predicate. Here also you is the subject, you is hidden here. You please sit down. Add a suitable predicate to each of the following subjects. A gardener is watering the plants. Boys are playing. The bird is singing. The earth is moving. Singing is a therapy. The boys have done their best to achieve the trophy. Aman is a good boy. Nepal is the neighboring country of India. The climate is very hot today. The soldiers are marching. Nepal is a neighboring country. The climate is very hot today. The soldiers are marching. Add a suitable subject to each of the following predicates. The sun sets in the west. Rishi is an intelligent boy. Grapes grow on vines. Ananya and Ronak went to Agra to visit the Taj Mahal. Human is mortal. I cannot run fast. February has either 28 or 29 days. Delhi is the capital of our country. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Indian Prime Minister. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Give each subject in column A a suitable predicate from column B. The first one has been done for you. These flowers look fresh. Barking dogs seldom bite. Her mother cooks well. Fire burns brightly. Burns brightly. The early bird catches the worm. The water is cold. Jack and Jill went up the hill. The ground was full of grass. Some people are born lucky. The story is interesting. So guys and girls, the exercise has also been completed. Please go through all the exercises. Thank you.